Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can lock your accounts, or rather your profiles, on one single account on Netflix. So let's get right into it. So if you're watching Netflix, or if you have an account, you may create several profiles for different people to use. You can set up one for children, you can set up different profiles for different family members, and all accounts or all profiles will have different recommendations, different watch histories, etc., etc. Now, to change your lock, or how to lock your profile, you, at least on the PC version, I'm pretty sure it's the same for the mobile version as well. However, you'll need to test that out yourself. But it's pretty similar, so you just need to find the same buttons. You just need to hover over your profile icon, then go into your account, then go all the way down and click on Manage Profiles, then select a profile that you want, and as you can see, you have a profile lock here. Click on that, then enter your password so that you can enter the PIN. You check this off to require a PIN, and you can enter the PIN that you want. I'll just put 1986, and then click Save. And then once you've made that, if I, for example, go and add a profile, add just a test profile, just like this, continue, then click on that profile, well, save the changes, click Done. And if I access that profile, if I select, well, let me just select a language. I can't find English anywhere. Oh, it's already selected. Just click Next. I'll just click 3 random shows. Finished. And as you can see, it's selecting TV shows. This goes back to what I've said. They all have different recommendations. Then, as you can see, oh, can I skip this? I, for some reason, can't. Okay. Now, if I go into my accounts and click on this account, as you can see, I need to enter a PIN. And if I enter my PIN that I've set up, as you can see, that is exactly how you change your PIN and lock your account. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.